Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Class of Everything. I am your friend Sitendra Chaudhary and topic of the day is going to be a very small topic which is Pyrocumulonimbus clouds. You must be having an idea about Pyrocumulonimbus clouds from your previous classes. But this term Pyrocumulonimbus clouds may be new for you. It has been recently in news because of Australian bushfires. Because it was in news, so that is why it may be very important for your exams. So let's get started. What is pyrocumulonimbus clouds? Pyrocumulonimbus cloud is a combination of two words, pyre and cumulonimbus. You may be having an idea about pyre. Pyre is a heap of combustible materials generally used to burn the dead bodies. It is a system that contains fire. It is a system that contains fire. So this is the picture. And what is cumulonimbus clouds? Cumulonimbus clouds are very dense clouds, anvil shaped, and they are extended very high in atmosphere. They may extend up to 8 kilometers, 9 kilometers, or in some cases 12 or 13 kilometers also. So they are very dense clouds, cumulonimbus clouds. Now if we combine pyre and cumulonimbus clouds, we get a new term which is pyrocumulonimbus clouds. So when we combine both, we get pyrocumulonimbus clouds. Because it contains fire and it is very huge cloud, very vertically extended clouds, sometimes it is also referred as fire breathing cloud. Now let me show you a picture. From this picture, can you say that this is a cumulonimbus clouds? Because this is extended vertically very high in our atmosphere. But let me tell you friends, this is a cloud which was generated as a result of nuclear blast. During Second World War, when America dropped a bomb on Hiroshima, which was little boy, then this cloud was created. It is not created a pure pyrocumulonimbus clouds as such. It is called mushroom cloud. This is called mushroom cloud. Pyrocumulonimbus cloud also has some sort of characteristics such as mushroom cloud. So that is why in today's time we can say that mushroom clouds are also called pyrocumulonimbus clouds because they are very highly extended in our atmosphere and along with that they contains fire. So let's talk about characteristics and impact of cumulonimbus clouds. Because they are cumulonimbus clouds, so naturally they will be highly extended in our atmosphere. Most of the characteristics are same as cumulonimbus clouds except one factor that they contains fire. They are very hot, except they have heat inside them. They may reach up to great heights up to lower stratosphere. I already told you they can extend up to 10 kilometer, 11 kilometer, or in some cases 12 kilometer. It means they can go up to lower stratosphere. They can cross your tropopause and enter into lower stratosphere because they are generated as a result of huge fire. As in case of Australian bushfire, they may bring ash, shoot or plumes to the stratosphere. When these kind of ash or shoot, it will reach up to lower stratosphere. Naturally, they will pollute lower stratosphere, which may have their own ill impacts. Let me tell you an interesting fact. In earlier times, scientists they used to believe that these kind of phenomena like mushroom clouds or pyrocumulonimbus clouds, they are very rare phenomena. But in recent times, like in last 2 or 3 decades, it has been found that pyrocumulonimbus clouds are not as rare as we used to think. What is the relation between pyrocumulonimbus clouds and Australian clouds? We already have seen the characteristics of pyrocumulonimbus clouds. They contain fire and they are very huge clouds. Australian bushfire was so huge. It was so huge that they created hell lot of pyrocumulonimbus clouds as can be seen in this picture. These clouds are seen during Australian bushfire which caused huge destruction. They have created their own ecosystem. Australian bushfire was so huge that they have created their own ecosystem in such a way that these pyrocumulonimbus clouds generated more fire. Again, more pyrocumulonimbus clouds were generated. Again, those cumulonimbus clouds, they generated more fire. That is how this bushfire in Australia intensified itself. And how did it happen? Let me show you. This is a very vast area, like hundreds of kilometers. When there was a fire at some place, so what is going to happen? There may be some water bodies, and due to this high temperature and due to this fire, there may be evaporation. So this smoke or this air which is rising, it has some sort of water vapor in itself. water vapor in itself, and we already know that when these water vapor will rise up to a level, there will be condensation. There will be condensation and cloud formation. There may be condensation and cloud formation. As a result of condensation, there may be rainfall. Now question arises. Earlier I said that these clouds, pyrocumulonimbus clouds, which were created in Australian bushfire, they intensified fire. Now I am saying that they were a cause of rainfall also. So how this is possible? At one time they are generating precipitation also, and at the same time they are responsible for more bushfire. So let me tell you. Because of condensation and cloud formation, these are cumulonimbus clouds. There will be thunderstorm and everything. So they can be responsible for precipitation. But this area here is very disturbed. But air which is around or which is away from that place, that can be a very calm air. When this disturbed air or this calm air, they come into contact, there is a creation of lightning. This lightning is responsible for further fire. I will repeat myself. These cumulonimbus clouds or pyrocumulonimbus clouds, they are spread over a huge area horizontally as well as vertically. They may extend up to hundreds of kilometers. At some place they may be responsible for precipitation, but at another places they may be responsible for lightning, and that lightning is causing further fire in those areas. Because in Australia, what is happening these days? What is the season? Summer is the season. So temperature is already high, and because of this lightning, it is creating a kind of situation. Because of high temperature and because of this lightning, it is creating further fire for themselves. So I hope you have now an idea about what is pyrocumulonimbus clouds and what is the relation of these clouds in with Australian bushfire. So this is the thing. This was a very small topic. And if you like my explanation, if you like this topic, so please like and subscribe to my channel.